Hello and welcome to another tutorial session with Cute. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add custom fields in Trello. So Trello allows you to enhance your workflow by adding custom fields such as drop downs, dates, numbers, checkboxes, and text fields to your cards. This makes your board more organized and tailored to your exact needs. So to add a custom field to any of your cards in Trello, would first of all head over to our Trello application and simply log in. Alright, having done this, would assume that you have already signed up, so it will take you directly to your Trello workspace. So the next thing you would have to do is open your board with which you want to work with. For me, I already have my board set up, so this is what my board looks like. So you navigate to the top right corner over here where you have the three dotted line and click on that, and then head over to power ups over here. As you can see on my screen, I will click on power ups and it will take me to this page. So to add custom fields in Trello, I'll simply search for custom fields in the search bar over here. Simply type that custom field, and as you can see, a variety of options are up. So I'll click on the first one, and over here I have the option to add custom field. All right, so I'll click on add. Right, head over here and click on add, and as you can see, this custom field is opened up to me. All right, so I can explore all the options I have over here on this power up. So that's one way you can add custom field to your card in Trello. Another way we can do that is that we can head over to our card over here and click on that. All right, and then we'd come here and click on add. So you can see the option down here to add custom field at the bottom of the list, right? So you click on custom field, and then if you already have a custom field, it will appear over here, and if you do not, you will need to create a new field. So I'll click on new field and I'll have to title that. So let's title this to do. All right, so having done that, we would have a list of options to select for the type of custom field we would want to work with based on what we are working on in our card. So I would choose number and then simply click on create, and I have created my customized custom field. So this is another way that you can create a custom field in Trello, different from the first one I showed you. This is how you can add custom fields in Trello. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.